To start off programming the Safeway 1850 valve, push and hold the up and down arrows at the same time. This will get us into our level 2 programming. The first option is going to be system language, English. Go to the next menu, you use the down arrow, and it's going to ask for the valve operation. This is where we tell our valve what it's going to do for the rest of its life. Push the square button, it'll flash the background. Down arrow will go through your options. Leaving it as a softener, we're going to select that option and save it by pushing the second button or the solid square. Going to the next menu, push the down button, and it's going to ask for the regeneration mode. Again, use the second square to highlight the option so you can scroll through your options. Metered delay, metered override, calendar clock, metered intermediate, and back to metered delay. Select that option and save it by pushing the square. Go to the next menu option by pushing the down button. It's going to be your regeneration time. That can be edited again by pushing the square button and using your up and down arrows to select an appropriate time. Save it by using the square button. Capacity calculation. Use your square button to view your options, your down arrow to cycle through. Save your selection. Go to your next operating parameter. Push your square button to edit, down or up arrow to make your adjustments, square button to save. Go to your next option by pushing the down arrow, salt settings, push your square button to make your adjustments. Save it with the square button. Go to your next settings. Refill flow rate. This setting is determined by the button that's in the valve. You can't adjust that. Push your down arrow. Unit capacity, set it based on your tank size and resin capacity. By pushing the square button, enter the edit mode, save your adjustments, and go to your next selection. Reserve capacity. Standard is 75 gallons per day per person, so this capacity would stay the same unless you have other needs. Automatically calculates your capacity. Your backwash settings. This is where you can make your adjustments to customize it per your customer's needs. Push your square button, add time or take away time depending on your preference. Save it using the square button and move on to brine and rinse. Again, use the square button to make any adjustments that you want to do with the up and down arrows. Be sure to save your selections and move on to the next edited parameter. Again, square button, make your adjustments, save. When you get to the restore default, you just want to simply push the menu button to exit out of your edit mode.